From the sidebar, click on Settings to manage your profile, users, and taxes. Merchant profile setting. Products. User permissions. Tax settings. Configure merchant profile. Here's where your business identity is configured. Click your business name, example, ABC Berhad. Edit business info. Update all your essential company details. Name, registration number, tax ID, MSX number, contact info, bank details, and address. The logo and abbreviation of the company should also be added, as it will be the default for the invoice. Be sure to double-check your subscription plan, default currency, and GST or SST numbers if applicable. And that's it! You're now set up with Invoix.biz. From sign-up, dashboard access, to merchant profile configuration, we encourage you to explore our full video series to learn more about using Invoix.biz. Our team is ready to support you. Thank you for choosing Invoix.biz, your trusted solution for efficient, compliant, and professional business management.